Hello everyone! This video shows you how to enable or disable Spotify Equalizer on your iPhone, Android, Windows, or Mac. Let's get started. 1. How to enable or disable Spotify Equalizer on iPhone. Open the Spotify app and tap your profile picture. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Playback to see playback options. Tap Equalizer. If it's off, toggle it on. Scroll through the presets like acoustic. Tap 1 to apply it. If you want the EQ applied to podcasts, tap the toggle. There's no save button. Just exit the setting. To turn off the EQ, go to Settings and Privacy, Playback Equalizer and toggle it off. 2. How to enable or disable Spotify Equalizer on Android. Android is a little different, because some phones, like Samsung, have a system-wide EQ that affects all apps. Tap your profile picture on Spotify. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then Playback. Select Equalizer. This opens your phone's sound settings. You may see options like Dolby Atmos. Pick a preset or adjust the sliders manually. Changes will affect all audio apps, not just Spotify. To turn off the EQ, go to Settings and Privacy, Playback Equalizer to set it to normal. 3. How to access Spotify Equalizer on Windows and Mac. Open Spotify and click your profile icon. Click Settings, scroll to Playback and find Equalizer, toggle it on. Click the drop-down next to Presets to see options. Click the one you want. Drag the sliders. Click Reset to go back. To turn off the EQ, go back to the Equalizer option and toggle it off. 4. Best alternative equalizer apps for Spotify. If Spotify's built-in EQ is not enough, use a third-party EQ app for more control. We recommend Boom 3D. You can use ViWizard Spotify Music Converter to download music and play it on Boom 3D. First, open ViWizard. Log into your Spotify account. Select songs or playlists to download. Set the output format and save location. Click Convert to download them as local files. Play the downloaded files. Go to Boom 3D to adjust the sound freely. Drag the downloaded songs to the dashboard. You can enable 3D surround sound, fidelity, and so on. Or adjust the preset like pop, jazz, for a richer listening experience. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.